If in a certain code bat is equal to 23 and cat is equal to 24, how will you code ball? Okay. Now, your bat is basically the summation of the ranks of the individual alphabets. That comes out to be 23. B is the second alphabet, so 2 plus A is the first alphabet, so 1, and T is the 20th alphabet. So 2 plus 1 plus 20, we get the summation as 23. Now similarly, cat C is the third alphabet, A is the first alphabet, and T is the 20th alphabet. So if you add it, we get the total as 24. Now we want it for ball. B is the second alphabet, A is the first alphabet, and L is the 12th alphabet. So 12 plus 12. So if you take the summation is 27. And therefore the answer for this question will be option A, 27. Now, as far as possible, you should remember the ranks of some of the alphabets. M, you should remember it is the 13th alphabet. You can also remember these alphabets E, J, O, T, and Y. E is the 5th alphabet, J is the 10th alphabet, O is the 15th alphabet, T is the 20th alphabet, and Y is the 25th alphabet. So if you remember some of the ranks of the alphabets, it becomes very easy to do these kind of questions. It is also very useful in series questions. So try and remember these values.